Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take a moment and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. And I upload new videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. So continuing with the holiday glam series, this is the next eye makeup look that I've created perfect for the holiday season, and it's gold. Who doesn't love some gold and shimmer, right? So greetings of the season and let's get started. And to begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with this Wet n Wild's concealer in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that well. And I have set this concealer with some translucent powder as well. I'm going to use Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use my favorite transition or the crease shade called Butter from that palette, and I'm going to blend that well till I'm happy with the intensity of the color on my lids. Next, I'm going to use the same palette and the shade called Buns, and now I'm going to take a smaller bullet kind of a brush and I'm going to place that color on my socket area, on my natural crease. I'm going to blend that well. For this gold look, I'm going to use Nicka K's Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow in gold. There was no shade name on that bottle, so I'm going to place that all over my eyelid area. It's slightly patchy. I was not happy with the way it was looking, but we'll work it out. So to top that, on top of that, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty's Emerald Obsession palette and the shade, golden shade there. I'm going to use a small flat brush and I'm going to place that shadow over the liquid shadow because it was looking quite patchy. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to work out on my brows. And for that, I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to I love the word blend, I guess. I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. For my upper waterline, I'm going to use this Maybelline Chitty Hadid's Kohl liner in black, and I'm going to line my upper waterline. And for my lower waterline, I'm going to use this Maybelline's Colossal Kajal in Crushed Emerald, and I'm going to apply that on my lower waterline. And I'm going to use the same Huda Beauty Emerald's Obsession palette, and I'm going to use a dark green color, and I'm going to smoke out my lower waterline with it for a pop of color for this look. I'm going to use that minty shade from the same palette, and I'm going to blend that lower lash line well. I'm going to use this green glitter, and I'm going to place that on my inner corner as my inner corner highlight, and I'm going to use the same color to smoke out my lower lash line as well. I'm going to use Inglaw's gel liner in number 77, and I'm going to create a liner on top of my upper lash line. That's it, simple liner. And I'm going to use the same golden shade as my brow bone highlight, and I'm going to use Colourpop's Glittery Obsessed Wish Me Luck, and I'm going to place that glitter all over my lid, guys. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to use Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara, and I'm going to apply loads of mascara. If you want, you can go ahead and falsies if you would wish to. And this, you guys, is a final eye makeup look, perfect for the holiday season, wedding, anything. You like it, you create it for any occasion, right? So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. And there's a little fallout on my lashes, I forgot to clean that out, I'm sorry for that. And there are many more videos on my channel, holiday glam videos for the holiday season, and many more DIY and nail art videos on my channel, so don't forget to check that out. And please subscribe, guys. Happy holidays, take care, bye.